exert the to increase the speed, exert, increase the speed, accelerate to a person who helps another to commit a crime or to do something morally wrong, a partner in crime, accomplice. Say aparathi, be harmonious or consistent with accord samjhota, be harmonious or consistent with accord samjhota. A person whose profession is to keep accounts, content, money, studies on acoustic. To decide in state officially in state that somebody is not guilty of a crime, acquit. To decide in state officially in court that somebody is not guilty of a crime, acquit. One who performs daring gymnastics is acrobat. Acrobat. A word formed from the initial letter of the words that make up the name of something, acronym. शब्द तो पहले अक्षर से बनाए तब fear of great heights, acrophobia. To do something or to behave in a particular way, to perform a part in a film or a film function, to act. Make a machine active or operative, to activate. The ability to make good judgment and take quick decision, acumen. The ability to make good judgment and take quick decision, acumen. A person who is physically dependent on a substance, examples of an addict. Believing on follow the practices of adhere, पालन करना. Believe in and follow the practices of adhere. The period between the beginning of puberty and adulthood, adolescence, किशोरावस्था. The period between the beginning of puberty and adulthood, किशोरावस्था, adolescence. An extremely young man, Adonis, खूबसूरत नौजवान. An extremely young man, Adonis, खूबसूरत नौजवान. Make impure by adding inferior substance, adulterate. Make impure by adding inferior substance, adulterate. मिलावट करना. A person who supports or speak in favor of something, advocate, वकील. A person who supports or speaks in favor of something, advocate, वकील. Going, existing, living in aerial, हवाई. Concerned with beauty or the appreciation of beauty, aesthetic. Concerned with beauty or the appreciation of beauty, aesthetic. A list of items to be discussed at a meeting, agenda. Always ready to attack or avoid, aggressive. Always ready to attack or avoid, aggressive. Extremely mental or physical suffering, agony. Cust. Extremely mental or physical suffering, agony. Fear of pain, algophobia. Fear of pain, algophobia. Fear of pain, algophobia. A person belonging to a foreign country, alien, an allowance made to a wife by her husband, alimony. A story, play, like picture, etc., in which each character event is a symbol representing an idea, a quality such as truth, evil, death, etc., allegory, niti katha. Commencement of adjacent words with the same letter, and alliteration and anupras alankar. Commencement of adjacent words with the same letter, repetition of an initial sound in two or more words of line, alliteration. The school or college in which one has been educated, alma mater. Mountain climbing, alpinism. A table or flat surface where offerings are made to a deity, altar, Balivedi. A table or flat surface where offerings are made to a deity, altar, Balivedi. Instrument that measures the altitude of the land surface, altimeter. ऊंचाई नापने का यंत्र. Instrument that measures the altitude of the land surface, altimeter. ऊंचाई नापने का यंत्र. The height above sea level, altitude. Someone who makes charitable donation intended to increase human well-being, परोपकारी. A former student of a college, school or university, alumnus. One who plays for a pleasure rather than as a profession, and amateur. Fear of riding in a car, emetophobia. Fear of riding in a car, emetophobia. A diplomatic representative in another country, ambassador. Able to use the left hand and right hand, ambidextrous. Capable of being understood in either of two or more possible senses, ambiguous. Anegarthic. Having or showing both good and bad feeling, ambivalent. Ubhavadi, ambivalent. Reading, reacting to suggestions and influences, amenable. Agyakari. Reading, reacting to suggestions and influences, amenable. Agyakari. A partial or total loss of memory, amnesia. An official pardon, amnesty. General pardon given by the government. Not following any moral rules and not caring about right or wrong, amoral. Animal that can live both on land and in water, amphibian. Animals that can live on land and water, amphibians. A person who has had one or more limbs removed, amputee. Apangachanang. A comparison between things that have similar features, analogy. Comparison between things that have similar features, analogy. Detailed examination of something complex, analysis. A person who believes that laws in government are not necessary, anarchist. ANARCHIST. A situation in a country, an organization, etc., in which there is no government, anarchist. Anarchy. A person who believes that laws and government are not necessary, anarchist. A situation in a country, an organization, etc., in which there is no government, order, control, anarchy. The branch of science concerned with the bodily structure of humans, animals, and other living organisms, anatomy. The branch of science concerned with the bodily structure of humans, animals, and other living organisms, anatomy. A person who presents a radio television program, anchor. Belonging to long past, ancient. Belonging to long past, ancient. A short, interesting, or amusing story about a real person or an event, anecdote. A medical specialist who administers drugs for relieving pain during surgery, Anesthetist. A medical specialist who administers drugs for relieving pain during surgery. Anesthetist. Like a weak old man, anile. Like a weak old man, woman, anile. Strong dislike, animosity. Strong dislike, animosity. घृणा करना. To destroy, completely abolish. Annihilate, विनाश करना. Annihilate, विनाश करना. To date on which an event happened in some previous year, anniversary. Salgira, with a name that is not known, that is not made public, anonymous, गुमनाम. Obsessive desire to lose weight by refusing to eat. Anorexia, वजन कम करने के लिए भोजन त्याग. Anorexia. A collection of poems, stories, etc. that have been written by different people and published together in a book. A collection of poems. Anthology. The study of human race, especially for its origin, development, customs and belief. Anthropology. Look forward to, anticipate. Look forward to, anticipate. A medicine to nullify the effect of poison. Antidote. Strong dislike between two persons. A deep-seated feeling of aversion. Antipathy. One who studies antique things. Antiquarian. One who studies antique things. Antiquarian. The exact opposite. Antithesis. The exact opposite. Antithesis. One who studies antique things. Antiquarian. Or the exact opposite. Antithesis. Words which are opposite in meaning. Antonym. Words which are opposite in meaning. Antonym. A policy that segregates people on the basis of race. Apartheid. Rangbhed. A set of rooms forming one residence in a building. Apartment. Showing or feeling no interest, enthusiasm or concern. Apathetic. Udasin. Showing or feeling no interest. Apathetic. The feeling of not being interested in or enthusiastic. Apathy. Udasinta. Loss of speech due to medical problem. Aphasia. Loss of speech due to medical problem. Aphasia. Boli band hona. A place where bees are kept. Apiary. A place where bees are kept. Apiary. And a place where birds are kept. Aviary. To express regret for something that one has done wrong. Apologize. To express regret for something that one has done wrong. Apologize. The study of having rejected your religious belief of your political party or cause. Apostasy. The state of having rejected your religious belief or your political party or a cause. Apostasy. So dharm tyag. A pioneer of a reform movement. Apostle. Pracharak. A pioneer of a reform movement. Apostle. Pracharak. Causing shock or dismay. Appalling. Bhayava. Causing shock or dismay. Appalling. Bhayava. Be appropriate or applicable. Appertain. संबंध रखना. Be appropriate or applicable. Appertain. संबंध रखना. A person who formally requests something, especially a job. Applicant. A person who formally requests something, especially a job. Applicant. Be appropriate or applicable. Appertain. Causing shock or dismay. Appalling. Bhayava. Estimation of things worth. Appraisal. मूल्यांकन करना. To rise in value. Appreciate. A person who works for an expert to learn a trade. Apprentice. A person who works for an expert to learn a trade. Apprentice. Being afraid of water or being near water. Aquaphobia. A glass tank where fish and water plants are kept. Aquarium. Animals and plants growing on or living in or near water. Aquatic. हम लोगों ने 100 आइटम फ्रेज 100 याद कर लिए हैं.